Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with another unboxing video. So guys, as you all know, summer just started, so I'm with another pool unboxing video, and this pool we bought it for Yuan, and since last year the pool which I bought is not that much big for him. So this time I bought three ring pool Sun Scott brand for him. So this one is a three ring pool, and so now I'm going to unbox this pool for him. So before unboxing, I just place a small mat below this pool, and after that I'm going to use uh, uh, a motor to pump for inflate this pool. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to inflate this inflatable pool. So guys, this is a nozzle which I'm going to use for this pool right now, and this pump is 120 volt, so I'm using this today. I already have this, but I'll link down below, uh, and yeah. So this pool I bought it from $15 from Target. This time Target have so many variety of pool, and in this particular pool, before buying I was not expecting that big, but after we set up the pool we realize it is very big. I mean our entire family can fit into this pool, so it is very good for age between 2 year to 5 year, or maybe up to that. Maybe adults can also enjoy. So I was not able to inflate the pool, so I asked my husband to help me. So my husband and my son both are doing this thing, and after that we are going to test this pool. So with the help of uh, a pipe or hose, you can say, we are filling some water in the pool, and after that Yuan is going to take bath. So guys, as you can see, this is very much a spacious pool. We can also enjoy if we wanted to. So manually I am filling some warm water, because right now the outside water is a little bit cold for Yuan. So I'm adding extra hot water to adjust the temperature of water. And as you can see, he just liked the water so much, and he loved doing all the water activities. So that is why we bought this pool before summer starts, so that he can enjoy entire summers. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. This is really useful pool for us, and you can also buy for your kids. Yuan is right now 19-month old, and it is perfect for him. But the only thing, we are not filling much water. Only one ring we fill for him, and that's it, so that he can enjoy a little bit. Also, if you want, you can add a slide so that they can slide and play around. So yeah guys, I hope you like this review and a kind of unboxing video. And if you wanted to see more such kind of videos in my channel, please let me know in comment box. I'll definitely try to make more. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.